Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for being here. We're going to bring you all kinds of cool stuff. How-tos, behind-the-scenes shots of different destinations.
You'll find product reviews and reviews for different lodges and guide services.
We're going to bring you new content weekly.
Oh yeah, thank you for that.
How-tos, destinations, special spots like this spot here in the Nushagak where we're fishing for king salmon. Come check out our new series. We're working on the jig life. I'm going to go all around Alaska, show you how to catch fish on jigs. Tell us what you want to hear about. We want to hear from you.
Make sure you like and follow our channel.